Hello children, good morning. This is class 9th maths class. In the previous class we had completed chapter 2 compound interest without using formula. Now we are going to start chapter 3 compound interest using formula. Here is some formula related to this chapter. First formula is how we'll find out the amount when the interest is compounded yearly. This is the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 upon power T. Here A is amount, P is principal and R is rate and T is time. Second formula is how we'll find out the amount when the rate for successive years are different. Then amount is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100 and so on. For example, calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 12,000 in 3 years when the rate of interest for successive years are 8%, 10% and 15% respectively. Let us see. Amount is equal to, as we know, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. Here amount is equal to, in place of P we will write down 12,000, in place of R1 we will write down 8 upon 100, R2 is 10%, 10 upon 100, R3 15% means 15 upon 100. Now let us simplify. 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100, 0 0 will cancel out, 5 3s are 15 and 5 20s are 100. Now we will write down 12,000 into 25 1 are 25 plus 2 27, 10 1 are 10 plus 1 11 by 10 and 21 are 20 plus 3 23 by 20. Now this 0 0 will cancel out from here and 2 60s are 120 and then this 60 will divided by 5, 12 5s are 60 and 5 5s are 25. Now when 12 into 27 into 11 into 23 upon 5, when you will multiply and divide it by 5 you will get it 16,394.40 rupees. So compound interest is equal to A minus P. So compound interest is equal to 16,394.40 minus 12,000 rupees. So compound interest is equal to 4,394.40 rupees. This will be your answer. Next question is to find the principal. P is equal to A upon 1 plus R by 100 power T. This formula will apply. For example, what sum of money will amount to rupees 33,630 in 2 years at 10% per annum compound interest? So let us find out. P is equal to A upon 1 plus R by 100 power T is equal to, amount is equal to 3,630 upon 1 plus R is 10%, 10 upon 100. Now 0 0 will cancel out. Time is given 2. So 10 1 are 10 plus 1 11 by 10 power 2. Now after it will be reciprocal. So 3630 into this 10 will move to the numerator. 10 into 10 upon 11 into 11. When we will divide this, 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. 330 rupees. 330 will come here. Again we will divide this 330 by 11. It will be 30. So 30 into 10 into 10, that is equal to 3,000 rupees will be the principal. Next question is to find the principal when difference between compound interest and simple interest is given. For example, on what sum of money will the difference between simple interest and compound interest for 2 years at 5% per annum be equal to rupees 25? Let us find out. Here we have to find out sum of money, means principal we don't know. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power T. Let the principal be X here. So X into 1 plus 5, rate is 5% given, 5 upon 100, time is 2 years. So 5 20 is 100, 21 is 20 plus 1, that is equal to 21 by 20 power 2. So amount is equal to 21 square means 441, X upon 20 square is equal to 400. Compound interest is equal to A minus P. So 441 X upon 400 minus principal is X. So 441 X minus 400 X upon 400, that is equal to 41 X upon 40. Now we will find out the simple interest. As we know that simple interest is PRT upon 100. So here principal is X, rate is 5, time is 2. So 2 here 10x upon 100. 0 0 will cancel out, x upon 10. This is our simple interest. According to question, compound interest minus simple interest is equal to 25 rupees. It is already given. So 41x upon 400 minus x by 10, that is equal to 25. Now we will take it the LCM of 400 and 10, that is equal to 400. Now 41x minus 40x is equal to 25. Now x by 400 is equal to 25. So x is equal to 400 into 25. So x is equal to 10,000 rupees will be our principal. This will be our answer. Second method, you can no need to apply. You just see this formula. If the compound interest and simple interest is given, the difference between compound interest and simple interest is given for the 2 year, then you have to apply this formula, P into R upon 100 whole square. So we don't know P, what is our principal, we have to find out, and the difference is given 25. So we'll write down P, and here rate is 5 upon 100. So 520 is 100. So we'll write down 25 is equal to P into 1 by 20 square. So 25 is equal to P into 1 by 400. 20 square means 400. Now it will make it a cross multiplication. So P1 ja P is equal to 25 into 400, that is equal to 10,000 rupees will be our principal. But in examination you should apply this formula only, this method only. Now question number 5, when the interest is compounded half yearly, then how we will find out the amount? Like this, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by, when the rate of interest is half yearly, compounded half yearly, in that case R upon 2 into 100 bracket close power T into 2. Here what we have to do, rate will be divided by 2 and time should be multiplied by 2 in case of half yearly. For example, calculate the compound interest on 4,000 rupees in 1 by 2 year at 10% per annum, compounded half yearly. So dear student, here rate is given for 10% per annum. So it is compounded half yearly. So what will be the rate? 10 by 2. We have to divide this rate by 2. It will be 5. And for time, what we have to do? We have to multiply the time by 2. So 3 by 2 into 2. 2 will cancel out. 3 will be our time. And principal is given 4,000 rupees. Now we'll apply this formula. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R by 100. It means 4,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 power 3. So 4,000, here 520 ja 100. So 5 1 ja 5. So 21 ja 20 plus 1, 21 by 20 power 3. So 4,000 into 21 into 21 into 21 upon 20 upon 20 upon 20. So this 0 0 0 3 0 will cancel out, and 2 2 ja 4, this 4 will also cancel out. Now 21 into 21 into 21, that is equal to 9261 upon 2. After dividing we'll get it 4,630.5 rupees. This will be our answer. Next question is, if the cost of a machine depreciate means it decreases by R% every year, then its value after n year can be obtained by using this formula. See, first, value after n year in case of depreciation is equal to present value into 1 plus R by 100 power T. And second part, present value of the machine is equal to its value n years ago into 1 minus R by 100 power T. Remember these two formula. And then, for example, the value of machine depreciates every year at the rate of 20% of its value at the beginning of the year. The machine was purchased for rupees 2,50,000 when new, and the scrap value realized when sold was 1,28,000. Find the number of years that the machine was used. So here we will find out the answer like this. Let the required number of years be n. Value of machine after n year is equal to new value into 1 minus R by 100 power T. So value of machine after n year, it is given 1,28,000 rupees, that is equal to new value. New value, what is the new value? It is given when the machine was new. On that time its value is 2,50,000 into 1 minus rate is given 20%, is depreciation rate 20 upon 100 power T. We don't know how many years, after how many years it value depreciate up to this much. So this will transpose to this side. 1,28,000 rupees upon 2,50,000 rupees is equal to 1 minus 1 by 20, 1 is 20, 25 is 100, 1 by 5 power t. So this 3030 will cancel out. 128 upon 250. After dividing this by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 125 upon 64 is equal to 4 by 5 power t. 5 1 is 5 minus 1, that is 5 by 4, 4 by 5. Now 64 upon 125 is equal to 4 by 5 power t. This 64, after prime factorization, we will get it that 64 will come how many times? 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So 4 power 3 is equal to 64, and here 5 power 3 is also equals to 125. So 4 by 5 power 3 is equal to 4 by 5 power t. So these bases are same, their power will also be same. So t is equal to 3, it means t is equal to 3 years. So dear students, today this much only, and we will see next in the next part. Thank you.